Hello, everybody. So, after a 5-hour flight home, this was waiting for me, and it's the new Griffin monthly kit. So, let's open it. I'm not going to do nothing with it today. I don't even know about tomorrow, but I do want to open it, the haul, whatever's done on it, so we can have a look and see. Oh, look at these. Looking good. Looking good. Let's see. I'll move this out the way. Wow. Very Star Spangled Banner, but a little late to me. A little late for this. Like, this should have came last month. Right? Well, so what's really awesome, though, is that we just got back from New Jersey and Philadelphia, and this is all going to be good for that. So the Statue of Liberty, I seen it the first time in my life. Wasn't up close, but from Liberty Island. The fireworks, I don't know, but the U.S. flag, the stars. We went to see the Liberty Bell today and Independence Hall, and so this will make wonderful scrapbooking ephemera. All right, let's see what we have. I mean, it is a special 4th of July, but this stuff needed to be sent sooner for that, I think. It's a little late for that, but it's okay for scrapbooks and stuff. So, we have a Statue of Liberty. You know what I'm going to do? Dump it out and put it back. That way, I know you're seeing everything. I like these. They're good size. So, Statue of Liberty, 2 of those. These are, I don't know what these are. Just, I guess, borders for cards. Just borders, I guess. But I wonder, that's not what this is going to look like, what this die is going to look like. I know it. All right. Oh, look. The eagle. That would be good for, like, Veterans Day and stuff like that. Okay. And then there's a word for these little card thingies, but I don't remember what it is. But this would just be card toppers or ephemera for a scrapbook page, right? We have a little drum, toys, they say, and trombones, cornets, etc. And they're layered. Oh, I like these. So it looks like there's 4 of these. Like those. That would be great for Independence Hall, right? Ships, SS England. Nice. It's, I want to call it a fake rosette. I don't know if that's the word, but that's what I'm going to call it. And then this is General Sherman. And then we have, I don't know, he's got the flag wrapped, but what is that? And what is he climbing onto? Don't really know. Cherries, because, right, he cut down the cherry tree. Abraham Lincoln, right? I cannot tell a lie. Oh, look at that flag. Is that not so pretty? All ripply, wavy looking. I love that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. This is going to be great with my trip to do some pages. American Machine Works, Springfield, Massachusetts. Steam engines. So it's not all about revolution and that, you know, about the U.S. Our country forever. And we got the two flags, and we got whatever that is. I don't know. Not a real big history buff. I love history. But I didn't used to. And that came to me as an adult. And I haven't studied it, so I don't know. But it fascinates me, like, to be at Independence Hall and know that the men that signed the Declaration of Independence was there, and I was there in that same room, you know. It's, like, awesome. Okay, some more flags. And a flag on a card. Right, 2 of those. Most of the stuff we're getting 2 of, but some of these things, like these little things like this, we're getting 4. So, more rosettes. Oh, lest we forget. So, the wreath. I think this is kind of a Veterans Day thing. Oh, look, anchor, so we could do a ship page or card for somebody that loves the sea. Okay, that was that one. And let's do the next one. This one, let's see what we got in here. Oh, Uncle Sam harmonicas. I'm going to put them in this bag because I already sealed that one and stuck it to the side over there. So I'll stick the harmonicas in here with this. I don't think it'll matter. Harmonicas. Okay. A whistle. A big whistle. Stars. And stars. We've got 3 stars and individual stars here. What is that? Is that a trombone? No, trombone has the thing that you go, tuba, right? Tuba? I don't know. Okay, and sprigs, you know, for a wreath, if we want. United States of America, a pluribus unum. Just like, I don't know. And then this is supposed to probably be like a coin. United States of America, $1. Okay, and then we have some words escape me today. So, nut sprigs, flourishes. There we go. Different directions. Nice. And, wow. So I think these are our fireworks, right? So we've got 2 of this one. 2 of this one. And 2 of this one. Okay. And we got some red bows and sentiments. So there it is, the opening. Alrighty. Okay. Let's celebrate. Best wishes. You make me proud. You make me proud. Let's celebrate. 3 cheers for you. 3 cheers for you. Hooray, it's your day. Happy birthday to you, and best wishes. Okay. That's our sentiments. And we have card blanks, and I'll show you the card blanks. And usually when I show you the card blanks, I'm showing you the paper that's in the pack. So, it's up to you. After I do the card blanks, if you want to stay to see the paper pack or not. Okay, so we've got 2 of each. Here's one. Here's the next one. Very red, white, and blue, right? Excuse me. Blue. Very blue. Oh, I keep sneezing. Excuse me. Blue. Okay, we got red. What's it? White and blue. I love this one. This is so pretty. This is weird. You can't wait to see the paper, right? Oh, I like this one a lot too. Sometimes. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's have a look at the paper. I like the card blank, so I know I'm gonna love the paper. Okay, so 2 single-sided. Or 2 of those. Then we got this one. And to me, that's the right way. See, here's the paper. Here's the card blank. They're the same, but it makes a difference seeing it in the paper to me. Sometimes you see a card blank and you think, oh, that's what I mean. And then you see the paper, you're like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, there's the paper. There's the card blank. See? Two of each. There's the paper. Yeah, I really do like this one. And the pattern is bigger than I thought, even though I believe these card blanks are not smaller. Right? They're the same size. But for some reason on this, it looks bigger than on this. It's not. And like I said, it's all single-sided. This paper is single-sided. Very pretty. And very pretty. Ooh. Wow. And see, that is so different than what I saw here. I don't think I looked at it that close because it just looks different on there. Is that all of it? Yeah. That's it. We've been through it all. seem like we got that much paper this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 sheets of paper. Okay. And of course the dies. So like I said, the Statue of Liberty, this would be for a banner, you know, a star and a flag, firework. Of course we got our blanks, and oh, these are even feeling, no, these are our, these are our inserts. I didn't get any blanks this time. And these are envelopes. Oh, what am I thinking? I get the fancy ones with this kit. I'm looking for white ones. Oh my word, I am tired. Alright everybody, if you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. I think I will be doing something with this tomorrow. I want to thank you for joining me. Please join me again. Everybody be blessed. Bye-bye now.